Hey friends, hey Facebook. Okay, in just a minute, I'm going to unbox all of our new fall products for skincare. I'm gonna do the makeup one separate. But I wanted to show you guys all the fun new fall skincare products. So I'm gonna unbox them. So when you pop on, say hi. Maybe say how you are or where you live or what you're doing. I also wanted to show you guys this. I'm so excited about it. I wanted to refer this. It's on Amazon. I was just sitting here about to write a quote. My friend Cindy Mercado Jenkins has this scroll in her house. You can see it. It's right there. And you can write words on it. And she always puts sayings on it. And I love it every time I go to her house. And I finally got it from Amazon. I'm so excited. And I was just getting ready to write a quote here. And I was thinking about what quote I wanted to write. And then I had my box of all the new fall products. And so I thought I would do an unboxing with you guys. So hi, Kelly. Thanks for being on. Hi, Elise. Okay, so you guys, I have right here dun, 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 the new fall skincare products. So I'm going to walk you guys through this. They're pretty amazing. So say hi, comment, tell me where you're from, tell me what you're excited about, whatever it is. I'm excited you guys are on here today. Okay, I'm propping you up on my computer because I should show you this. My ring light, the attachment broke, so I have duct tape on it, and I'm just not sure it's actually gonna hold my phone. Okay, so here's the box of the new fall products. And so we have skincare and makeup. I'm going to do the makeup one probably tomorrow because I already had my makeup on. So I figured I would just do a skincare tutorial talking about the new skincare, because honestly, fall is a fresh start. Kids go back to school. You just get the change of seasons. Everyone gets excited for a fresh start. So I'm excited about a fresh skincare start for you guys. And there are a couple of things that you're just going to be pumped about. So definitely make sure you comment, say hi, tell me if you have tried these, if you've heard about these. If you are a consultant, hopefully you've gotten your lookbook. If you are a customer, your lookbook should be coming to you in the mail. It's featuring some of our new products. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about the first product, and it's a whole skincare line. You guys, Mary Kay just launched a brand new skincare line, and it's called Naturally. And so this is the Naturally line. And the Naturally line is completely naturally derived ingredients in a skincare line. And so it's our first certified natural skincare line. And it's got 4 pieces. So you've got a cleanser. So you're gonna have a cleanser. Then you're going to have, oh gosh, where'd they go? Then you've got an exfoliation powder. Okay, so it's right here. Then you've got, I'm currently obsessed with the nourishing oil. You guys, you can use this on your hair, on your nails, on your, obviously on your face, on your décolleté area. And these oil drops are incredible. Even if you're oily skin, you need that nourishment onto your skin, and it's all naturally derived ingredients. And then we have the moisturizing stick, and the moisturizing stick I love, especially for my daughter Everly. She hates when I put sunscreen or moisturizer on her face and she's dry. So this stick has been better because I'm just come here. I draw on her face really quickly. But I love these products because you guys, they're all naturally derived ingredients. These 3 products right here, so the moisturizer, the oil, and then the exfoliating powder are 100% naturally derived ingredients. The cleanser is 99.49% naturally derived. The 0.51% is actually from it's like a blending agent. Because there's water in the cleanser, they needed something to put in it so that you don't have to refrigerate it because they're that natural. So some of the ingredients you might find in these products. So we've got sweet almond oil, you've got corn flour, floral water packed with antioxidants. You've got moisturizing Candelilla, I think wax is how you say it. And I always say this line is kind of for what I call the light green girl. The girl who's not growing her own ingredients out back, blending them and making her own scrub, but the girl who's like super conscious about the ingredients that she's putting on her skin. I mean, our skin is our largest organ, so it is important for us to consider what we're putting into our skin. And all of Mary Kay products are certified and are safe and effective for you. We're European Union tested. This has just taken our line to another level to serve another group of women. And so if you're somebody who is what I call the light green girl, you're gonna want this line. So if you have heard about the line, give me a like. If you have heard about this, if you're excited about any of these products, comment below. Another thing you should know about this line, we're totally third-party certified. So we got the Cosmos certification, which is, it's a Cosmos standard. It means that we were studied, we were tested. They did an entire test panel. And this line, you guys, is now certified naturally derived ingredients. And so there are a lot of people who claim a lot of things about organic and natural in the industry, and it's really important to have a certification. And Mary Kay went the extra mile to make sure we have that, so you can be excited about when we claim certain statistics. There is literally a gnat in here. I'm gonna get out. Oh my gosh. So anyway, you can feel good about this skincare line. And I'm gonna be honest, I've already had a couple customers, because I got to get mine early, who have maybe never had a full skincare line before, and they've already been using it and seeing major results on their skin. So you can be excited about that new line as well. Okay, so the next thing I want to introduce you, y'all, meet your skin's new best friend. Meet your skin's new best friend, because it's that incredible. So I'm gonna introduce you to the new Skinvigorate Sonic Skincare System. Okay, so this is it. This is your Mary Kay Sonic Skincare System brush. And what's so great about this is it has two different features to it, two different heads. So the first one you're gonna put on is the cleansing brush. Okay, and this you're gonna do 60 seconds twice a day. Here's why this is important, you guys. Using a brush like this brush specifically is gonna give you 4 times as much power in getting impurities and oil and dirt and exfoliating and getting all of that off the surface of your skin, rather than just using your hands. It's gonna give you a bigger percentage. Also, if you're using a washcloth or things like that, or exfoliating every single day, you're probably being too harsh on your skin. So you wanna make sure you're using this twice a day. It's actually rechargeable. You get an entire little USB port, so you just plug it into your wall. It charges back up just like an electronic toothbrush. And then you've got really that buffing. And so what's cool, it's got 3 speeds for customization, and it's even got a 60-second cutoff, because they want you to do 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. And that's all you're gonna do for that skincare set. And then, well, I'm gonna pop out. There we go. Okay, then the other feature, which I'm beyond excited about. By the way, using a brush like this is gonna prep your skin for your next skincare step, like a moisturizer or a serum or things like that. The next one is the game changer. So Mary Kay patented this. Mary Kay is putting this together. This is the massager head. And so what this does, you're gonna do this twice a day. I know this like sounds crazy, but you're gonna do this twice a day for 2 minutes. You're gonna have, I wrote this down, so I wanna make sure I say it right, 40 seconds on your neck. 40 seconds on that neck and décolleté area, 20 seconds on your jawline and chin, and then 25 seconds on your cheeks, and then 10 seconds on your forehead. So you're gonna turn this on. What it does is it's actually massaging the muscles in your skin, like literally like this. That's what you do, okay? It's massaging it, and it's getting more oxygen and nutrients into your skin. That's number 1. Okay, number 2, it's toning and tightening your skin. Number 3, it is literally softening the expression lines on your face. It's loosening those up. When you make the same expression over and over, they call them laugh lines for a reason. They call them frown lines for a reason. When you push the same expression over and over, you've got to almost move that muscle in a different direction for it not to have that depth from the same, also called a wrinkle, from making that same expression over and over. Like if you didn't know that, that's why they're called expression lines. And so what this does is it softens those lines. It's going to tone and tighten the skin. It's going to relax your facial tension that you have in your skin. And the best part, oh my gosh, the best part is the fact that when you do this on your face every single day, it's then going to prepare your skin to receive your serums, like your anti-aging serums, even better. So my favorite anti-aging serum, period, is the Mary Kay Lifting Time Time-Wise Repair Lifting Serum, Advanced Lifting Serum, because it produces new collagen. I mean, it does all the things to make your skin amazing. This is preparing my skin to receive that even bigger. Now I've buffed my skin with the top part. I've now massaged my skin. I've relaxed my facial expressions. I've toned it and tightened it and all of the things, increased the circulation, receiving more oxygen, looking more rested. Game changer. So I hope you guys enjoyed these products today. This is just a preview of some of the new fall products today that we are launching in Mary Kay for 2019. And these two skincare products are going to really be game changer for your fresh face in the fall. So I hope you're excited. If I'm your beauty consultant, connect with me right away. If I'm not your beauty consultant and you don't have one, I'd love to serve you. If you have a beauty consultant, contact her immediately, because this you need in your life. If you don't have a skincare line, you need some skincare, and Mary Kay does it best. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.